to do a lightning link, and it is best bet. I'm going to do the 10-cent denom. It's a $2.50 bet. So we want, I think it's 3 of these or 6 of those. And the horses are wild. So whenever you do the 10-cent bet, the mini is $100, the minor is $500. Right now the major on this one's $632. Something. Come on. One more. Good start.
Come on, Christine needs a bonus.
Come on, come on. A little something there, 50 cents. Come on, bonus, bonus. Alright, that'll be something. $3. That will also be something. $9. Alright, we're down to our last $10 on this one. One more. Oh. There you go. 3 of a kind, at least. $12.50. Alright, let's get something good real quick. Alright, we've got one more spin. Here we go. I'll go ahead and do it. That's it for Lightning Link. This is a coin in the castle machine. It is a quarter machine, and the minimum bet is $1.25. Excuse me. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh. Alright, here we go. And I think we want these to turn red. So that was a 50-cent win. Okay, I can't do quarter math, so but that was a win. So we have, how many lines is this? 5? So you've got the 3 here, and then an X. And I think it turned red. Alright, so that was $2. $2.50 so far. Nice.
It's like $12.50, $13.
Okay, nice. So I'm back up above where I started. And it turned red again. Spin again. Do it again. Okay. I'll take it.
Congratulations!
Oh, congratulations, it says.
It's like $10.
That was a good win. castle, $2.50. You turn red for me one more time. Okay, turn red.
Red screen.
Oh. Let's get one more red screen.
Is it red? No, I thought it turned red.
Come on, Queen in the Castle. Give me another red screen. Nope. Now that's where I started, so the question is, do I want to keep going? The answer is yes.
See if you can get another red screen at least. It died on it.
Yep. Red screen. Okay. That's basically where I started. Let's do a $2.50 bet. Okay, and we're gonna cash out there.
All right, we're back to one of our favorite games, the Ultra Hot Mega Link. 10-cent denomination, $2 bet. Get some extra sound here. All right. Of course, we need 4 fireballs, 3 treasure chests. Come on, fireballs. There's some wilds. It's a $9 win. We'll take it. Come on, one more, yes! The mini is $80. So we're gonna back up here. So we can get all our screen on there. There we go. That should work. Alright. So we want more of those Ultra Hots because those will grow the other balls if we get it. There we go. Busting to the next level. These are dimes now, so we gotta remember. Lay out that pretty good. There we go. Already up. Alright. There's another one. I like those 3-digit numbers a lot better. Let's see if we can get some more of those or some more words. Now don't be done, of course. We got another Ultra Hot up there to get. We're already down to our last spin here. Let's see if we can pull it out. One more ball, one more. Got it. Gives us 3 more spins. We need 1 more for that next level for the Ultra Hot. Now there's a $20 up there, I think. We need that one too. Come on, 1 more ball. Just 1 more. Don't wait till the end. Now, here it is. 1 more. Just give it 1. The wrong spot. Oh, that's all right. That'll add up pretty good. We needed to win. $21. Go, like that one. That was a nice one right there. $136. Nice. All right, we're gonna get back into our position. Cat up there is happy. All right, so we're gonna give it a few more spins. See if we can get another one of those bonuses. That one was nice. That's the best one we've had tonight. You'll have to forgive me if I'm clearing my throat every once in a while. We just ate at the, I think they call it the steakhouse here at High Winds. Their food's always good. All right, now come on. I like the treasure chest bonus. I'd like to get that. Some feathers. It was only $1. I've said it before, the line hits on this game are not very good. It's all about the bonuses. Come on. We're at $200. I think we started with 80, something like that. We'll probably give it just a few more spins. Come on. One more. Oh, right there. That was a good one too. Had that $40 ball on there. Likes to tease you to keep you playing. Part of the fun of it though. I think we'll go down to 180. So it's got a few more spins. It could give us another bonus. $2. That's an extra spin. There we go. From Wild. $14 win. So back over 200. I think we'll still go down to about 180. Or up to 5. Oh, there we go. I was going to say we could go up to 500. That would be nice too. So I got to back up here. Okay, I think we got everything on there. I need to move it down just a little bit to see our total on there. I think that'll work. We do have a nice $20 ball on there. 2 spins left here. Come on now, add us some more. Now don't do me that way. Don't do me that way. Give me another one. There we go. $2. We'll take it. So we need one more to open the next level. There's $6 worth of balls on there. There we go. Open that up. So now we just need one more for the next row. We've got $8 worth of balls on there. And open that up. Perfect. So now we need 2 more for the next level. It's got an ultra hot and a $4 ball. These are all really small numbers except for that 20, but they do add up since it's a 10-cent denomination. Another $2. But I can get all the way to the top for that penny. 5 more to get there. So long ways to go. Come on. There we go. Nice. Got a couple of ultra hots. Nice. So we just need one more now to get up there to that penny. So let's just, come on, just give us one more. Come on. Don't be that teaser. Go ahead and drop it. Oh no, we're down to our last spin. Come on, here it is. Come on, drop one, drop one. Oh. All right, so that was another nice win. So let's add this up here. Come on. Oh, come on. Do it. Got it. Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to back up a little bit here so you can maybe see the other. Gotta get it situated here. See where it shoots up there. So you want to get some fireballs on this. Can't see our total at the top. Let's see if we can get it on there. There we go. Sorry for shaking you around. There we go. Now I think you can get the bonus in the bonus on this if you get 4 fireballs, but I am not positive about that. So that's up to 30. Over 40 now. It's been a great run on this game. Almost 60. Okay, I forgot, it can add some free spins on there, so that's good. We need more of those treasure chests. Need those fireballs too. Come on, chest. Fireballs. So we're last spin unless we get some more chests. Yeah, we at least got a fireball, so that's another good bonus. Alright, almost $75. Wow, so far this has been a great run on this game. Get some coins for Christine. She put them in her pocket. Alright, we're going to reset again here. This game's been so active, we're going to give it some more spins. We're up to $350. I'm not sure what we'll do here. We'll give it some spins and see what happens. Oh, there's some good wilds again. Actually getting some decent line hits on here. You must have heard me badmouth it about the line pays. It says I'll show you, which is fine because that's just paying me. Maybe we can get up to $400. Who knows? Oh, come on. We need another one of those fireball bonuses. Or the treasure chest, either one. Let's go down to 350. That'll give us quite a few backup spins. Or up to 450, 500, whatever. $1 billion, that'd be fine. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, 5 of a kind. See, that 5 of a kind of those gems was only $15.
Hey, we'll take it.
I mean, we'll absolutely take it. Plus it had some extra in there, but I don't complain about winning. You can just never win enough. I mean, you could, I guess. I haven't yet. Down to 375. Come on. All right, come on. We've still got some more spins to go here. Not looking good. There's those green emeralds again.